Hello gurus and welcome to Bangkok. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. We had this big pump, 25k, and then a big pullback. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Make sure you're paying attention to MCRT, everyone. I've been talking about this. I'm the founder of this project. You have to do your own due diligence, but we're building a play-to-earn game that's going to compete with Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity currently at a $1.5 billion valuation, Magicraft at a $10 million valuation. So about 150 times from where we are, and our game is better. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Cool storm behind me, actually. Check out this. The city of Bangkok and like giant, looks like from Independence Day. We're jumping into technicals. The market pulling back a little bit. Let's see. Tesla in the stocks are still leading from the weekend, but they haven't opened yet. Meta, everything down a little bit. BNB about break even. Bitcoin was up to 25k and then pulled back. On the 4 hourly, it's very oversold, turning to head up. We're getting a little bit of a bounce now. That's good. There was a big sell that happened that dropped it. We had a big spike to 25k and then a big sell. On the 4 hourly, this sell order was around, someone sold, let's go in a closer. It was around here. About 9,600 Bitcoin was sold to drop the price. We had that spike up to 25k. In my opinion, though, it looks bullish. Why? Because multiple tests here. We're testing 25k multiple times. This is the fourth test. The more it's tested, the more it'll break through. And look at the volume. Volume predicts price. We're having massive spike up in volume the last few hours. So interesting. Stochastic is heading up. I would be going long here to retest the top of this channel again. I think we're invalidating this rising wedge. We have a giant cup and handle that's also formed here on Bitcoin. We've got this big cup and handle that's formed. It's a bottoming formation that, if it plays out, should be taking us to this distance here. So we could be going to around 26,400, which will be beautiful. What else do we have here? That's the main thing that I'm seeing. We also have another pattern here. Let's get rid of some of these old. This kind of rising channel that Bitcoin is in. Let's see if it breaks the upside. On the 4 hourly, oversold. Hourly, we're oversold. I would be going long here. We also have a bit of a kind of this trend line here. I would go long on Bitcoin here. So I'll take a long where we're sitting right now. Stop loss just beneath where it dropped. And take profit at the breakout, the red line, 26,400. This gives us 5.5 ratio trade, risking $409 to make $2,257. With 10x leverage, will be $22,000 of profits. So this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. On the 15 minutes as well, we're looking really good. I think we're going to have a big pump up in the markets. This is my opinion, though. Just keep that in mind. So that's for Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit to start trading. $4,450 bonus when you sign up. You can also get MCRT at these different exchanges on Bitmart, on PancakeSwap, on MEXC. Check out Magicraft. This is I'm going to show you. This is one of some characters from the Magicraft game already in beta testing. The character's looking beautiful, and this is the in-game testing played between our team in our team chat. We're beta testing internally, but soon it will be in a public beta. And this is the most advanced play-to-earn game in the market at the moment. It smashes Axie Infinity, in my opinion. So once you sign up to Bybit, you'll get this trading account. In here, I've got 500. Wait, it's loading. It's still loading. Maybe I switch off Wi-Fi. 1 second. So in here, I think because I'm the storm, I've got $520,500. So pull back around $15,000 today on this drop on Bitcoin. 9.6 Bitcoin in here, 233,000, 153,000 of Solana, 77,000 of USDT, 4,600 Ethereum. My Bitcoin trade is still up around $12,987 in the profits, $13,000 in the profits, 186%. I use $7,000 to now have a $20,000 profit trade, which is beautiful. Over on Binance, let's see what's in Binance as well. In Binance account, we're down 1,860 today, 486,000. It was up quite a lot in the morning, but that Bitcoin pullback dropped the market a lot. Bitcoin, I've got 10 Bitcoin, BNB 117,000, Solana 111,000. That's what I'm holding at the moment, which is beautiful. Over on Femex, my trade is 2,357 in the profits. MCRT is slightly down today, around 4%. But it's still holding quite strong in this drop. The rank is 2,987. It's CERTIC audited. Market cap 9.9 million. And that's what I'm talking about. This is why I say really pay attention to MCRT, because the market cap is currently 9.9 million, where Axie Infinity is 1.5 billion. And our game is much better. Volume is up massive today, 1.2 million, up 75%, which is beautiful. Having a big bounce back V-shaped recovery there and a stable price at the moment. On the 7-day, the chart is slightly pulling back. On the monthly chart, we're having a little bit of a correction on massive upwards movements, which is beautiful. Don't forget, you can stake your MCRT, and currently staking on MCRT, there's around... the storm is like cutting out the internet a little bit, guys. 1 second, I'll just move, see if it helps. Okay, the internet is a little bit... Okay, it's refreshed. In the app, TVL, 405 million MCRT is currently staked. Check out the different times you can stake and bonuses and the lockup periods. And right now, 1,000 USDT. And at the end, I'm going to do Ethereum. Let's check out Ethereum. USDT, $1,000 worth of USDT gives you about 236 cake, or around 125,000 MCRT. 100 USDT currently gives you 12,500, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening there. Let's go into Ethereum now. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos, because that's going to affect the market a lot. This shows you all the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what they're... So on the weekly, looking beautiful. We're still in this rising channel, rising wedge, and rising wedges are dangerous. We're perfectly inside this rising wedge getting rejected. That's dangerous. We need to break out of here, but multiple tests right now on the top of this wedge. We need to break through. It's very, very important, because a rising wedge is actually a bearish pattern. But on the 4-hourly, we're looking nice for a big movement back up. But again, we need to be breaking through on the hourly. Also climbing and still making higher lows, which is beautiful. Let's do a count here. No, it's too... Let's go on the 4-hourly. See if we can do... Yeah, I think let's try it. Okay. We have a... Let's see if we can do Elliott wave, impulse wave. So we've got first impulse, correction. Second impulse is small, so it's actually invalidated. Third impulse. So we could be facing ABC correction here, but on the 4-hourly we're looking good. On the hourly we're looking good. I think we're going to retest the top of this this channel here, which would put us at about 1.18 billion, 1.18 trillion on the total market cap of all cryptos. Let's look at Ethereum and MCRT. About even on the day, Ethereum pulled back quite a bit. Ethereum on the daily, overbought, very overbought, and also inside this rising channel, rising wedge, same as Bitcoin, same as total market cap. But again, we're trying to test it, but usually they break to the downside, so hopefully we get a breakout here. But on the 4-hourly, it is looking good, because it is forming a big cup and handle that should be taking us to 2,600. So that's what's happening in the markets right now. Pay attention to MCRT, because there is some exciting announcements coming. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.